number 2.3, question number 1, put the correct sign. First part is 1 over 2, 15 over 20. For putting the correct sign of greater, less and equal, first of all we need to see the LCM. If the LCM are not same, we need to find the LCM in the rough one. We always started from 2 to 1 times 2 to 10 times 20. Then again with 2 to 1 times 2 to 5 times 10. Then 5 1 time 5 and 5 1 time 5. 2 times 2 4, 4 5 times 20. Its mean LCM is 20. Now take your first value 1 over 2 and see your LCM. LCM is 2. We need to multiply the number. 2 times dash is 20. 2, 5, 2, 10 times 20. 2, 10 times 20. You need to multiply in the numerator also. Now 10 1 times 10 and 2 times 20. Now take your second value. 15 over 20 equals 20. 15 over 20. 20 multiplied by which number to become 20? 1. So we need to multiply in the numerator also. Now 15 1 times 15 and 20 1 times 20. Now write your new values with the equality sign. 10 over 20 and 15 over 20. Now see, LCM are same, both LCM are same. So you need to compare only numerators. 10 is dash than 15. 10 is smaller than 15. Now write the original value under these numbers, under these rational numbers. 10 over 20. 10 over 20 original value is 1 over 2. Same sign. And 15 over 20 original value is 15 over 20. Draw the ending. Now I am writing this next question. Second part of this question is 2 minus 3 comma 1 over 6 equal. We need to put this minus sign with the numerator. It's just for confusing. So you need to write your question again and put the minus sign with the numerator and 1 over 6. Now see, if your LCM are not same, find the common LCM. Started with 2, 3 is not possible. 2 3 times 6. 3 1 time 3 and 1 time 3. Now the LCM is 2 3 times 6. Take your first value. 3 times which number will become 6? 3 2 times 6. Multiply in the numerator. Now minus 4 over 6. Take your second value. Which number? 6 times dash is 6. 1. You need to multiply in the numerator also. 1 times 1 is 1. 6 1 times 6. Now write your original values with the equality sign and 1 over 6. For this question, understand the concept. Positive values are always bigger and larger than the negative values. Positive values are always bigger than the negative values. So my LCM are same, so you only compare the numerators. Minus 4 is less than positive number, plus 1. Now write down the original values. Minus 2 over 3, same sign, and 1 over 6. Draw the ending line. Now I am writing the next question. Minus 1 comma minus 2. Write your question again. Single value having the LCM is 1. So you need to write the 1 as a LCM, as a denominator for your easiness. Minus 2 over 3. Now see, LCM are not same. So find the LCM. LCM is 3 1 time 3. Take your first value, minus 1 over 1 equals minus 1 over 1. 1 multiplied by 3. 1 times 3 is 3. Multiply in the numerator. Minus 3 over 3. Now take your second value. Minus 2 over 3 equals minus 2 over 3. 3 multiplied by 1 will become 3. Multiply in the numerator. Minus 2 over 3. Now write your new values. Minus 3 over 3 and minus 2 over 3. Now the LCM are same. Compare your numerators. Minus 3 is dashed and minus 2. If we have the minus value, both minus value, the smaller, the greater value with the minus sign is the smaller than the this is the smaller than the small value. Mean, if we have minus 3 is smaller than minus 2. There is an opposite rule. Minus 3 is smaller than minus 2. Now write down the original values. This is minus 1, same sign, and minus 2 over 3. Draw the ending line. Now I am solving the next question. Minus 4 over 7, comma 5 minus 2. First of all, write your question again and put this sign with the numerator. It's just for confusing. You need to put with the numerator. Now see the LCM. LCM are not same. Find the common LCM. 2 started with 2, 7 is not possible. 2 1 times 2. 7 1 times 7 and 7 1 times 7. Now LCM is 2 times 7 is 14. Take your first value. 7 times 2 is 14. Multiply in the numerator. Minus 4 2 times 8 and 7 2 times 14. Second value, minus 5 over 2 equals minus 5 over 2. Multiply. 2 7 times 14. Multiply in the numerator. Answer will be 35 over 14. Write down your original values with the equality sign. 8 over 14 and minus 35 over 14. LCM are same. So you need to compare the numerators. Minus 8 is dashed, then the minus 35. The small value with the minus sign. The small value with the minus sign is greater in both minus value. Small value with the minus sign is greater for the both minus value. It means minus 8 is greater than minus 35. Now write down the original values. Original value of it is minus 4 over 7 greater minus 35 over 40. Draw the ending line. Now I am explaining the concept. Plus 5 or single 5 is always greater than minus 2. But when we have minus 3 and minus 4, if we have both minus sign with the values, so the small value is always greater than the bigger value. So minus 3 is greater between these two minus signs. If we have minus 11 and we have minus 100, 100 is bigger than 11. But when we have two minus sign, the smaller value is greater than the bigger value. So we need to put the greater sign. But if we have minus 1000 and we have minus 1, so minus 1000 is smaller than minus 1. So this is the very important concept when we have two minus sign. The bigger value with the minus sign is smaller than the small value. I hope you understand the concept. Do the remaining part for your understanding. Thank you.